Hello my dear friend, welcome to my channel. And in this video I'm gonna share with you how you can know that someone use your Instagram account or not. Maybe you have a close friend or you have a boyfriend or girlfriend. Maybe they use your Instagram but you don't know even. So if you know this, then how can you figure it out? Just follow my step, then you will learn. Okay, so here you can see the Instagram maps. Just click on this, and after that here you can see your home page of your Instagram account. Just go to here, you can see the option three line. Click on this, and after that here you can see the first option settings. Click on this, and here you can go the security, the fourth option from the app. Okay, so click security, and the second option login activity. Click on this, and you can see here the people. If someone use your Wi-Fi, sorry, someone if someone use your Instagram, then you can easily learn it, and you can see their location and when they join your Instagram account, everything about and their device, brand name, everything. So friend, I think this video was helpful for you, and please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching this tutorial.